Have you ever felt in the quiet of the night when the world outside has gone completely still, that a silent question echoes inside you? Why am I still struggling with money, even though I've tried so hard? Have you ever wondered if there's a secret the wealthy know, but one no one ever told you? If you skip this video today, you might continue living in the same loop of worry, limitation, and lack you've known for so long. But if you stay, if you simply listen with your heart, you may realize this. You already have everything you need to become wealthy right within yourself. Imagine life as a vast garden. Every thought, every feeling you nurture is a seed planted in the soil of your subconscious. If each day you water seeds of fear, anxiety, and lack, your garden will be overrun with weeds and thorns. But if you begin to nourish seeds of belief, abundance, and gratitude, that garden will bloom with prosperity. Neville Goddard once said, "Imagination creates reality." That wasn't just a beautiful phrase, it was a truth proven in countless lives. Neville Goddard wasn't some shallow motivational speaker. He was a man who lived his philosophy, who experienced lack, failure, and hardship, and discovered that the key to transformation lies within consciousness itself. He didn't talk about chasing money. He talked about mastering the mind, mastering emotions, and from there mastering reality. You don't have to attract money from the outside, you simply need to recognize that deep down you already have it. Take the story of one of Neville's students, Sarah. When she came to him, she had only a few coins left, was facing eviction, and felt utterly hopeless. Neville didn't tell her to get a new job or beg for help. He simply said, "Sarah, close your eyes. Imagine and feel as if you already have all the money you desire, not as a wishful dream, but as a vivid living reality." Sarah followed his advice even though she doubted it at first. Every night before bed, she imagined herself living in a warm home with a full bank account, and felt the peace and relief of having no financial worries. Within just 3 weeks, unexpected doors opened. She received a new job with double the pay, and even an inheritance from a distant relative she never knew. Sarah stepped into a new flow of abundance simply by changing her inner state. Do you see it? Sarah's story wasn't random luck. It was a living demonstration of the principle imagination creates reality. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Emotions are the water, and ideas are the seeds. When you water your subconscious with feelings of wealth, gratitude, and peace, you're planting the future reality where money, opportunities, and prosperity naturally flow to you. Think about it. Haven't there been times when the more you worried about money, the harder everything seemed? And times when you felt calm and grateful? Suddenly good things just showed up. That's not coincidence. That's the law of assumption Neville taught. You don't need to know how the money will come. You only need to live as if it's already here, to feel abundance, as if it's already yours. Remember this. You don't plant a seed today and dig it up tomorrow to check if it's growing. You trust, you wait, you know life is forming beneath the surface even before you see it. Money works the same way. When you truly feel it real, when you embody the state of already having it, sends a powerful signal to your subconscious that you are worthy of wealth, that you are ready to receive it. Here's a simple exercise I want you to try tonight. Before bed, close your eyes and fully relax. Imagine checking your bank account, and the number you see is exactly the amount you desire. Feel the surprise, the joy, the deep relief flooding through your body. Let that feeling sink into every cell, every breath. Don't just see it, feel it. That's the secret. That's how imagination becomes reality. And if you still doubt, think back to times when you felt intensely about something. A dream, a goal, a relationship. Didn't it eventually show up in your life, often in ways you never expected? That's the power of the subconscious. That's the power of the money mind. When you trust, when you feel it, you begin to act differently. Notice new opportunities, and the world responds by giving you exactly what you once only dreamed of. Look at the great figures of history. Edison saw the glowing light bulb in his mind long before it existed in the world. Carnegie already felt himself to be the steel king, while everything he needed was still invisible. That is the state of already have when lack no longer haunts you, when you are calm at ease, enjoying every moment, as if money is always with you, always flowing to you naturally. You don't need to ask, how do I manifest money using Neville Goddard's method? Because you become the living embodiment of it. Feel wealth first, and reality will mirror it back. Now look at yourself. Haven't the things you once imagined vividly and felt deeply good or bad eventually appeared in your life? That is the power of imagination, the silent but absolute law of attraction at work. If you once felt unworthy or lacking, life kept confirming that belief. But the moment you shift your perspective, when you choose the law of assumption to assume you are already enough, already worthy, everything begins to move in a new direction. Remember, you are the author of your life's book, and every thought is a sentence. You can rewrite any page you want anytime you choose. Don't let the past or your current circumstances define you. Edison, Carnegie, Lincoln, Disney. They all started with nothing, but they refused to let conditions decide their destiny. They used imagination, emotion, and belief to build their reality. And so can you. Don't wait for someone to save you. Don't wait for the world to change. Change within first, and the world will follow. You may be asking, can I manifest large sums of money quickly? The answer is yes, if you truly believe, feel it, and live as if it's already yours. Don't worry about time. Don't pressure yourself. Let it unfold naturally, like water flowing around stones, like spring following winter. Focus on the feeling, the state of already have, on gratitude, on deep peace. Try this, the smell the money technique. Each morning, close your eyes and imagine holding fresh bills in your hands. Smell their distinct scent. Feel the joy, the freedom, the security they bring. Let that emotion spread through your body. When you sustain this long enough, you'll notice new opportunities, unexpected income, little miracles showing up in your life. And if you wonder, how do I feel wealthy now? Start with gratitude for what you already have, even the smallest things. A good meal, a warm home, a loyal friend. These are all signs of wealth. Gratitude opens the door for more abundance to flow in. That is the abundance mindset. That is the wealth vibration you emit every day. Don't let old beliefs, fears, or other people's stories drag you back into the same loops. If you keep thinking the same thoughts and feeling the same emotions, you'll repeat the same reality. But the moment you shift one thought, one feeling, one small action, you begin rewriting your destiny. No one else can change your life but you. The power lies fully in your hands. Dare to choose a desire, a financial goal, a specific number. Live as if it's already yours. Each day feel wealth, freedom, and gratitude as if you've already reached it. Don't wait for money to make you happy. Be happy first, and the money will follow. You don't have to chase money. Let money chase you. When you become a money magnet, when you radiate the vibration of wealth, you attract everything good into your life. That is attracting wealth. That is the abundance flow. That is true financial freedom. Everything you need to become wealthy is already within you. Believe it, feel it, live it. You are the god of your own life, the unlimited creator. Every thought, every feeling, every choice you make is building your future. If you're ready to step into a new reality, comment below. I already have money. I feel wealthy right now. Share your manifestation experiences, so together we can build a prosperous community that uplifts and inspires each other every day. And never forget, you don't need to wait for the world to change to be happy. Change within, and the world will follow. That is Neville Goddard's timeless message. The secret behind every money miracle, you already have it. Just live as if. If you want to go deeper, watch the playlists, Neville Goddard Manifestation Mastery. Complete guide and daily Neville Goddard affirmations and meditations right here on the channel. Let every day bring you closer to financial freedom, wealth, and peace of mind, the life you deserve. Are you ready? It's time to live as if you already have it all.